Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a cartoon water balloon. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our water balloon, let's begin with a curve right here. So I'm going to start here and I'm just going to begin by making a nice big curve. Next, I'm going to continue this line and I'm going to kind of curve it around and then down to here. Next, I'm going to take this line and I'm just going to kind of curve it all the way up to here. You can see I left this line right here. That way we make it a little bit more three-dimensional. Next, starting here, for the tie, let's make a little line right there. And then let's make a line that comes off here and a line that comes off here. I'm going to curve here. And then we'll make another little curve line right here. Now, let's make a funny face for it. So I'm going to start here, and I'm going to make a circle for an eye. Then I'm going to make another circle for an eye right here. Then right here, let's make a line that's going to curve down and then come up. And then right here, we're going to make a little curve for the tongue. And then a little line up for the mouth. Next, I'm going to make a little circle inside each eye, and I'm going to color in most of this, leaving just a little bit white. Then I'm going to make a line that comes down and up and kind of color it in for an eyebrow. And same thing, we're going to come just kind of up and down and just kind of color it in. And then I'm going to make a couple little lines back here so it looks like it's being thrown. And then I'm going to make a couple little drops of water back here just to make it look like, you know, it's actually a water balloon and not just a regular balloon. And there you go. There is your drawing of a cartoon water balloon. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.